you might have. So I'm gonna using the iHo Premium Transfer Foil Gel. What it is, this is actually, it will transfer 99% of any single image. I'm gonna using foil box number 27, which is the Halloween specials. It's so stunning. If you haven't get any of kind of fun designs for Halloween, if you are not in the bigs of drawing, and then you want something is really cute, quick, simple, but it still looks stunning. It's not look like a little is sloppy job done. It looks really cool. Then definitely this too. And then you only need is your Halloween's box and then your premium transfer foil. That's all you need. It will transfer pretty much. It's 99%. I'm just showing you one of this, but we want to do it like right now. See that how it transfer you? That's all you need. This is going to be your bestie on your station. Back you up every single time. So I have this is Autumn Blaze, which is at first I look at this and say, oh, it looks like pumpkin, but it's a little bit different. It looks so cool and it's deeper than the pumpkin colors, and also it look like a burnt orange color to me. But it's perfect because on all the 6 color you haven't seen it in any of the gel polish, Glitz gel polish. So that's why we'll make sure that we're getting really special for you for this collection. So I am go ahead and apply the premium iHo Transfer Foil Gel. So now if you want to apply on entire the nails and you apply the foil on entire the nails, then you apply the foil gels. But if you know like where you want to apply and where you want to transfer, you can just only apply on that like spot. So I make sure I get pretty much covered. Sometime if I miss it and like it will not transfer. All right, give for 30 seconds. This is really cool because it's even like the premium iHo Transfer Foil can even help with, you know, like encapsulate. You can see my nails encapsulate in the base, on the base using the premium iHo Transfer Foil too. A lot of you asking this, and I think I did it before a lot of other video too, but I'm gonna do it again because it's fall. We're gonna do that for the for like maple leaves. So we're gonna cure for 30 seconds, and I picked several different foil. This foil is the one I did on this nails. It's the same on the box of number 27. If you're always looking for, it's really cool, it's Halloween stuff, you don't need to find nowhere. This is gonna be a great and easiest way for you. So I'm thinking of the strip on the nails. So I'm thinking of this one. Looks so cool and stunning.
I like that.
This one is cool though.
Pumpkin.
Look at that pumpkin with the little cute like witch hat. Yeah. Like, oh, this one, the Boo's one is cool. Boo.
That little ghost with a pumpkin.
This is like, she's
pumpkin.
so happy though.
Yeah, that ghost going out trick-or-treating.
Okay, so you can do this. I love that how it give you so much of a fun idea. If you are going, this one looks cute though. Ooh, now it's hard to chew though. Either that. You want intent, like, what is it, haunted house?
Yes, that's like a castle. It's
like haunted house. It looks like that. This one, or is happy, like,
get that ghost. That ghost is so cute.
So cute. And then with like whatever tree it is. All right, I'm gonna do this one, okay? So if you want to see the other one, let me know. I might doing it on the next live, or if we have a time. So now I'm gonna place it gently right on the top of the nails, the highest points on the nails. So then, and then you can just slide it straight to the spine. And then now, if you don't have a tweezers like this, sometime if your hands have a little natural oil, you can using a tweezer to doing a really a majority of work for you. See, sometimes it has like a little bubbles. If you don't have it, just slowly using your finger and slide it and rub well on the top of the nails. You see that it sucked right into the nails. And then it's like on this side to make sure that you get of any of the image. I get a part of the little moons right there. Okay. If you feel any bubbles, do not worry. When you release and peel off this film, you can able to like it back up. Like this one had a little bit bubble, and that's it. Do I miss anything? Oh no, that is not even in there. Cool. That's it.
Nice. That thing's so cute.
Look at that. It shines for like 99% for you. And then also you can using this image, you can move to the next image. You can do is like angle like that. You can do straight, you can do angle, you can do however you want. That's so cool, and it's so many. Oh my god, little scary ghosts right here. It's funny. Ooh, okay. But you can do so many different, and then the other strip is even fun, you know, like this one a little bit more colorful, like in like a fall theme, and like it had the 31st of August, I mean Halloween, October, and then the Halloween wars right there. Okay, so I'm gonna move it out on the sides. I just want to do a different, so then you can see the option. But this is, you can get everything of this, the image and designs on yours, like number 27 special Halloween.